Okay, so happy Easter, everyone. So, I am back to church. And we got another video at the branch. Here's this one. Copeland School. This one's actually running today. 2014 5-ton. Nothing there. It's got a Copeland School. 2015 5-ton. Looking really well. This one. I'm trying to make this quick at the people here, but I use the preferred. 2014 3-ton. Nothing running. I don't know. Copeland. And here's this one. Also Copeland School. I got this one running 2 weeks ago. And it has been running. 2015 5-ton. Alright. I'll be back over there. Alright. Bye for now. Okay, so here are these units. The preferred. The preferred and whatever it is. Copeland School on a blanket. The Evolution. Not been running. Oh crap, that thing is loose. That's not good. 2016 5-ton. And here's this Evolution. 2010 5-ton. It's been running. I gotta get this starting up sometime. It's the logo. Alright. Be back at the last one. Alright. Bye for now. Okay, finally, here's this last Evolution. There's the logo. So it's the Easter eggs because it's Easter. They're doing an Easter egg hunt. Copeland School in a blanket. Looks like it's been running. Yeah, that line looks sweaty. Here's the data for that. If someone can tell me what that is, please let me know. Alright. So there to order units at the church again on Easter Sunday. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.